greenhouse, wherein a greenhouse is a building in which plants are grown. Size of greenhouse may range from small shed to industrial-sized buildings. Commercial glass greenhouses are fitted with equipment such as screening installations, heating, cooling, and lighting, which may be automatically controlled by a computer. Greenhouse cultivation is common in Spain, the Netherlands, the UK, and many other European countries for growing costly flowers and plants. In the USA, Korea, and Israel, greenhouse cultivation is quite common. Several species of spider mites damage a large number of greenhouse vegetables and ornamentals worldwide. Cucurbits, French beans, and a variety of foliage and flowering ornamental plants are among the most affected crops in greenhouses. Spider mites particularly damage begonias, cacti, chrysanthemums, cyclamens, dahlia, petunias, roses, verbenas, and zinnias. Hot and dry conditions favor development and multiplication of spider mites. For false spider mites often damage orchids in greenhouses. For broad mites and cyclamen mites also sometimes appear as important pests on different plants in greenhouses. For tomato russet mites sometimes infest tomato and other solanaceous plants, particularly in warm and temperate areas, and cause economic damage. Occasionally, bulb mites belonging to family Acaridae infest and damage flowers that are reproduced from bulbs, corms, and tubers. Some phytocid mites are available commercially through insectaries and are being used successfully for biological control of spider mites in greenhouses. However, management of mite pests in greenhouses was discussed from these slides. To review, in management of mite pests in greenhouses, the first one is monitoring. Second one is cultural control. Third one is biological control. And the chemical control. For the fifth is integrated programs. And the last one is the alternate chemical control. Mites can be one of the outstanding pest infestations in many greenhouse crops and production systems around the world. They are most notorious in long-term protected growing situations such as greenhouse tomatoes, stock plants, or cut flowers. For suitable management of spider mites and other mites, following control measures should be followed.